Alright guys, today I'm going to be giving you a look at a knife I've been carrying for several years now. This is the Spyderco Police, designed for police and military use. But before you get going, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you want to check out this knife, I've got the link below on Amazon, so check that out. So let's get into it. So the Spyderco Police is a knife that was designed for use by police and military. You can see the spear tip here. It's got a fairly large, fairly aggressive blade. The blade on this actually measures about 4.1 inches. It is made of VG10 steel, which used to be really, really good steel. It has been replaced by some higher quality steel now. However, it is still quite good. This knife is a good knife. It holds an edge really well. I've been quite pleased with it. You'll notice here, I actually specifically got this knife so I could carve the wave into it. One thing that's really nice about this knife is it has 4 different locations for the pocket clip, so you can put the clip wherever you want, and as a result, you can carry it in the tip down method, which allows you to then utilize the wave feature. So I actually took a Dremel and an angle grinder, and I just cut a wave into this knife blade. It was very easy. It only took a little while. I actually have a YouTube video on how to do that. You can check that out in the link. But overall, I would definitely recommend this knife. However, if you're going to get this knife, make sure you get it with the partially serrated blade. The serrations are key for any form of utility cutting, such as string, rope, stuff like that, because the straight edge isn't that great for cutting in a utility fashion. One other note about this knife is that because it's stainless steel completely, if the handle gets wet with anything like blood, sweat, water, it becomes very slick. That's one of the major downsides to this knife. However, on the upside, because it's a smooth handle, it doesn't tear up your pocket for everyday carry. So, overall, that is the Spyderco Police. It's a great knife, great everyday carry. However, I would not recommend it for tactical situations simply because of the thinness of the handle and how slippery it gets when it gets moist. There you go. That is a quick and easy review on a great knife. If you want to check out this knife, check the link below. Otherwise, have a great day.